Hello children, so today we are going to revise the thief story from the language and literature section. So this chapter, the writer is Ruskin Bond, and Ruskin Bond's thief story is completely more than a thief story. The story focuses on basic human values and relationships. It is easier for a thief to burgle a greedy man. It is difficult even for a thief to burgle a careless and honest person. A young boy becomes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him totally and employs him. Does the boy deceive his trust? The story is about a 15-year-old thief. He used to change his name every month to stay ahead of the police and old employers. This time he called himself Hari Singh. The other person, Anil, in the story is a 25-year-old writer. The thief one day meets Anil and asks that if he can work for him. The story discloses how the thief deceives Anil by committing theft but withdraws later on. Anil was 25-year-old writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was struggling to write for earning the money to run his life. One day Anil was watching the wrestling match. He meets Hari. Hari used his old formula to flatter the person, and Anil impressed and promised him that he would teach him how to write, add numbers, how to cook tasty food. Now both were living together happily. One day Hari saw that Anil had brought a bundle of notes. He saw him keep them under the mattress. As Hari saw the bundle of notes, so his evil spirits aroused in his mind. He decided to rob Anil that night. After taking dinner, Anil slept calmly. Hari crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He got the notes and ran away from there. He left for railway station to board a train to Lucknow but missed it. He wandered through the bazaars. It was raining and Hari Singh was completely wet. There was a conflict in his mind. He did not want to betray the faith of Anil. Moreover, Anil was teaching him how to write and add numbers that could transform his life. So he left the railway station. He came to the field and sat on the bench. Just then heavy rain was going on. A chill wind was blowing. He felt guiltier as he had cheated an innocent person. His shirt and pajama wedged to his body because it was wet due to the rain. Hari Singh had a change of heart. He decided to return to Anil and keep the money under the pillow. He reached the room and placed the money back. The next morning, he woke up a bit late and Anil had already made his tea. Anil offered Hari Singh rupees 50, saying that he had earned it. He told him he would now be paid regularly. Hari kept the note in his hand. He realized that the note was still wet from the rain last night. Hari got to know that Anil had come to know about his misdeed, but there was no sadness, anger, or guilt in his mind. So the moral of the story is the human values and relations are important in life, and such values can change a person too. So now we are going to discuss the few questions which are given there in the end of the book. Who does I refer to in the story? I refers to Hari Singh, the narrator of the story, who is a 15-year-old experienced thief. What is he a fairly successful hand at? He is a fairly successful hand at stealing. He is an experienced thief. He is so clean and swift in his work that he robs people without being caught. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? In return of Hari Singh's work, Anil gives him food and a place to live in. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? According to him, Anil would be sad, not because of the loss of money, but because of loss of trust he had in Hari. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Hari's experience at theft, he had made him aware of differences in reactions of people when they are robbed. According to him, a greedy man shows fear, rich man is angry, and a poor man he accepts everything. So answer is over here. Does Anil realize he has been robbed? Yes, Anil realized that he had been robbed as he gave a 50 rupee note to Hari, which was still damp due to the night's rain. So the question answer is complete. The small question answers You need to revise the lesson once again, read it thoroughly, and please do hit the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe to it. Thank you.